You searched how to buy shares of AKRO.CVR. AKRO. CVR trades on NASDAQ, and this quick guide explains the basic company context and steps to follow. This is educational information only and not investment advice. To make a purchase, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as the example to show the process. Registration is straightforward. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker AKRO.CVR to locate the listing. Confirm the exchange and company name to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company details and the price chart for AKRO.CVR. Check that the company information and NASDAQ ticker match before proceeding. Click Buy or Trade, choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. Make sure the order type and price are what you intend. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming the purchase. Once the order is processed, your AKRO.CVR position will appear in your portfolio. For the eToro link and further resources, check the description below.